6 winning strategies that will double conversions on your landing page. Firstly, killer value proposition. Put your offer in a precise and persuasive value proposition. Answer these questions. What's in it for me? Why this brand? What's the benefit? Secondly, create trust. You need to build the trust that you can deliver your value proposition promise. How to show reviews, have press releases, use logos of well-known companies. Thirdly, show social proof. Social proof increases trust and will persuade users into buying from you. How to show happy customers. Use quotes. Show pictures of before and afters. Fourth, use persuasive copywriting. Copywriting needs to be appealing, precise, and actionable. How to survey customers. Understand common pain points and desires. Use their slang and language pattern. Fifth, create the urgency to act. If you do not get people to act quickly, they'll bounce off the page and you'll never see them again. How to do XYZ now. Limited stock available. Today. 6. Irresistible offer. Your offer has to be a no-brainer. People should feel dumb saying no to it. How to create insane perceived value. Give a guarantee. To briefly summarize, the strategies Gagnants could double run VOS conversions. 1. Killer value proposition. 2. Create trust. 3. Show social proof. 4. Use persuasive copywriting. 5. Create the urgency to act. 6. Irresistible offer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more daily tips.